Hey everybody, I'm Super Machine 92. Welcome to another video of Speedy Creativity Green Generations. I know it's a bit late, but I do have a few things to do before I hit the hay. So today's green characters, you'll have the Rail Grinder and from Speedy Creativity Season 2, J Coin. This is J Coin's first time, actually second time, making this appearance. If I put it backwards. But anyways, I apologize for not making this earlier. I guess I was so caught up with rollerblading, which I improved a lot, and I was doing something else too, which was the other thing. But let's not waste any more time. Let's create, because I got one more thing to do after this one. So let's bring on the green characters. Although this is the first time I only brought in different colors that will join the green creativity, but it does contrast the green anyways. So what do Rail Grinder and J-Coin does have in common? They're both fun and confident and very cool in green. Although they do have different personalities. For Rail Grinder, he does whatever he wants as long as he doesn't play by the rules sometimes. And J-Coin is cool and collective and also eager to help out a friend. So J-Coin was the original face of creativity. And I'm not kidding, he was my first character that I made in 2010. And yes, I did say 2010, because I joined art club in 2009. In 2010, that's where I decided to make my own characters. He made his way in 2011 and 2012, but I stopped making him. I guess this is because I decided to bring in more fresher characters since I put him on the wayside. J-Coin did make a comeback in Speedy Creativity Season 2 as one of the Season 2 characters. And as for Rail Grinder, he was originally going to make it to the Speedy Creativity Monthly, which is the first one last year, but he was replaced by somebody else. So it's nice of me to bring those two back once again. Well, at least for Rail Grinder. To be honest, I did sketch him. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy these coolest duos who are enjoyable to have fun with. I almost forgot, he was originally in blue and brown. And I'm talking about J-Coin. J-Coin was going to be blue and brown, but in Speedy Creativity Season 2, I switched him to brown and green to match the chocolate cake flavor. Or is it the trees and leaves? But I got it off from a chocolate cake. That gives me an idea for his cool color coding, which is nice. All done. I hope you guys enjoy this duo, the fun, confident guys. It's nice to recreate Railgrinder and J-Coin again after a while. I should make more characters who hasn't had any spotlight of this creativity appearance for some time. Now, see you guys again in a few days, and I gotta get my workout started. Good night, everybody. Bye.